Welcome to today's demonstration where we're deep diving the challenges some property developers have and how our technology can be uniquely applied to solving those elements. My name is Mike Eilertson. I'm the Chief Meta-dologist at Meta-dology.com. And none other on the call today do we have our Sales Director, Blade Berger. And Blade, let's set the scene. What are the challenges that this particular developer faced and how did you apply the technology with the tech team in order to resolve them?
So very early on in our engagements with Harbour Road as a development, we really nailed down the unique identifying capabilities of this as a development. Much more than needing to secure those pre-sales, much more than needing to lock in those early cost savings, it really became about capsulating this unique coastal living of a very quaint little town and really trying to communicate the lifestyle of what would be experienced living in this particular development. So let's dive on into our outputs and actually see how we captured that for this developer.
Absolutely. And I think setting this tone as we arrive here, what a lot of developers would be quite familiar with, the live inventory management system, the standard type setting that a lot of property sites have, the key features and information about the development. But I think one of the things that immediately set this apart is the instant access, what we call the first touch model or the light touch model. In a single click, it really takes us through an in-depth automated sequence introducing the development to us, but still allowing the user to be in control of that journey. They can click through, they can move to different locations, but yet to do so in a way that requires that it's really effortless in terms of how it resolves itself. Don't you agree, Blade?
Absolutely. And the key feature of this light touch model is just to drive enough of the curiosity in seeing the unique elements of this environment or this development before we actually go into the star of the show, which is ultimately our virtual viewing.
Well, let's dive in. In a single click, we find ourselves in the Harbour Road development. And this is one of the things that I absolutely love instantly as we arrive, this complete free to explore space. I think before we even dive into the development itself, let's introduce him to the area. And Blade, maybe you navigate and just tell me where you want me to head down. What do you want to look at? What do you want to point out about the model initially?
Absolutely. And the key thing about what I was just saying is really wanting to encapsulate the location, the small, quaint town that we're in. And before we even get to the residential units, you can already start to see the environment bringing to life that coastal living in hyperrealism, seeing the ability to see the water moving with the actual tidal lines, bringing in the surrounding environments of the cliff paths and the hiking trails that will ultimately be a key amenity for someone living and experiencing this coastal lifestyle. So as we go over to these hiking trails, you'll start to see the level of fidelity that is coming out, not just in the actual hiking trail, but in the foliage and the flora and fauna in this area, the rock faces and the cliff faces, really trying to create that hyper-realistic environment as if someone was walking around a finished development. And this is happening months before we even actually go to ground on the development. This all becomes a part of the story arc of what we're trying to create as an experience for potential buyers. And when you're talking about creating experience, what better way than to create an experience of actually showcasing what a beautiful sunset would look like at the top of this rock face. Now having the ability to unhinderedly explore this space, having a look at every hour of every day, being able to then click through to an aerial overview and be able to see the site from every single angle, really starting to understand the location because we actually bring in those geo scans, being able to see and fully experience this development, but in its geographic context of its geographic location. And Mike, as we speak about the exteriors of this little town, we can start highlighting some of this unique architecture.
Well, that's one of the things that stands out to me. These heritage sites came across so effectively. You know, a lot of these old towns have got 100-year-old history. And that's what I absolutely loved on what you managed to capture here. You get a sense of this town, the heritage sites, the old rockery, the sense that it's not, you get a sense of the lifestyle, you get a sense that this is not just slapped together, but it's really something that the development feels part of the surroundings, yet the views are so effectively emphasized. And I love the retail stores that were even brought in, the fact that you can explore and understand the grocery store, the bakeries, even down to this restaurant over here, that's actually part of the development in terms of just bringing that lifestyle together.
Absolutely. And something that I just want to highlight over here that becomes a unique capability or functionality inside this environment. As we saw a couple of moments ago on the website, we actually have the live inventory management. But now, not only do we see the live inventory management on the website, all of that information actually pulls through into the live environment, giving us the ability on a first touch or first experience of the space, being able to see what units are available, what are sold, and what are reserved. And we have the ability to instantly travel through our quick travel technology, click a button, and you could be immersed in one of these units that you've fallen in love with. The ability to turn the furniture on and furniture off and now see the views that this particular unit is going to experience. You can now click through to another unit and actually start seeing how are the views differing from this unit to another unit, and really just giving the ultimate experience of all the different typologies of units and really being able to experience that. And this is anybody through the life cycle of the project being able to explore in this level of detail, from your developers to your architects and construction teams to your potential buyers and tenants, being able to see every detail of every unit across the entire development. Not key parts of the development actually being built out. Something that makes our technology unique is the entire development built out at this level of realism for you to ultimately experience in multiple different ways.
Well, Blade, what a spectacular demo. Can definitely see how that's going to accelerate sales. The cost savings were just an added extra. The design oversights that were picked up early on in the process, the assistance in achieving those early sales, getting access to funding earlier, all instrumental to this huge success of Harbour Road. Nicely done to you and the team on that.
Thanks so much.